If you want to stop paying for the Envato Elements subscription, here's how to do it. First, log into Envato Element. Then click on the top right on your name and find the My Account link. Then you are in your account. On the left side, you have a payment details. Click Cancel Subscription. It is in small gray letters. Whether you have a yearly or monthly subscription, you are still going to have access to everything until the end date of the subscription. You can still download and use the elements from Envato. From the day of the end of the subscription, you will not be able to use new elements or elements you downloaded before the subscription ended. So if you have some videos to upload to YouTube using Envato Elements, do that before the last day of your subscription. Otherwise, you might get a copyright claim. After you stop the subscription, you still have access to the license for the elements you downloaded and used during the subscription. So if you get a copyright claim for a video you uploaded before the end of the subscription, even if you got a claim after the end of the subscription, you can still go to your account in Envato and download the license. Although I suggest that each time you download music or any other file that can get a copyright claim, you can attach the license file to the same download folder. That way you don't need to search in the long list of items for the specific license file on Envato Elements account. Anyway, after you click the link to cancel, you have 2 questions that are a survey. It doesn't really matter what you choose, but it is a good idea to let them know why you stopped if you are not satisfied with the kind of elements they have in the catalog. After that, you click the button and you will not be charged again. If you decide to continue after you cancel, just click the button and they will not ask you anything and your subscription will renew in the next payment cycle. If you like to know more about how to attach the license to the file, watch this video next. Like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.